In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Reels in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you can change, and how to save those updates confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Meta Business Suite. You're looking for the official Meta page that hosts the Business Suite dashboard. Open that correct link so you land on the place where you manage your Facebook and Instagram content. If your business manages multiple pages, make sure you're in the right account before moving on. Next, sign in using either your Facebook or Instagram credentials, whichever is connected to the page or profile that published the reel. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your Business Suite home screen. If you're prompted to authenticate, just follow the on-screen steps so you can access your content safely. Once inside, head to the left-hand menu and click Content. This is where all your posts, reels, and stories live. To quickly find the reel you want, filter by platform at the top, so you're looking specifically at Facebook or Instagram content. This keeps things focused and cuts down the scrolling. If you manage a lot of posts, use search or sort options to locate the live post you need. When you see the reel you want to update, hover over it and look for the three-dot icon or an options button next to the post. Click that to open more actions. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Post. This takes you into the editor for the selected reel. In the Edit view, you can modify the text caption, adjust or add hashtags, and update the location tag. This is perfect for fixing typos, clarifying your message, or improving discoverability with better keywords. Keep in mind that you won't be able to change the media itself, so the video or any images attached to that reel can't be swapped or trimmed here. If you need a different video, you'll have to create a new post outside of this edit flow. After making your updates, review everything for accuracy and tone. When you're satisfied, click the blue Save button. For live posts, your changes will apply immediately. If the reel is scheduled, your edits will update the scheduled version without republishing it early. That's it. You searched for Meta Business Suite, logged in, navigated to content, filtered by platform, opened the options for your reel, chose Edit Post, updated the text, hashtags or location, and saved your changes. With these steps, you can quickly polish your reel's caption and improve performance without starting from scratch.